Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Assistant to work on your lock screen. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google. And now click more and I agree. Now click more again and I agree. Now click continue. And to make sure that your voice model works, click here and then click retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set up timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now you can click finish and then you can click back and click back again and now click on lock screen. Now click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. So let me check now if this Hey Google Assistant works on lock screen. So let me lock my phone. Hey Google. And as you can see, Google Assistant now works on my lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.